Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pickled cucumber. First, choose the freshest, firmest pickling cucumbers you can find. This is key for a crisp pickle. Wash them well under cool water, then carefully trim about 1/8 of an inch from both ends. You can slice your cucumbers into spears, rounds, or even leave them whole if they are small enough. This initial preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now let's create the flavorful brine that transforms your cucumbers. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. For a slightly sweeter pickle, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget your aromatics. Add a few sprigs of fresh dill, 2 or 3 peeled garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to infuse your brine with wonderful taste. With your cucumbers prepped and brine ready, it's time to pack your jars. First, ensure your glass jars and lids are sterilized by boiling them for at least 10 minutes. Carefully pack the prepared cucumbers tightly into the hot jars. Then, pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of space from the rim. Remove any trapped air bubbles before securely sealing with new lids. The hardest part is waiting. Let your sealed jars cure at room temperature for a minimum of 2 to 3 days. This allows the flavors to fully develop. For optimal long-term storage, keep unopened jars in a cool, dark pantry where they can last for up to 1 year. Once opened, always refrigerate your delicious homemade pickles and enjoy them within 2 to 3 weeks for the best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.